Okay, so this is the thing. About to start this recording, and okay, so this is EURUSD chart. Let's look at this daily chart in this one. Let me switch to the daily time frame. Yeah, we're here now. So we have the FOMC meeting coming up on Wednesday, and the ECB meeting, European Central Bank meeting, coming on Thursday. Usually they follow each other. As you can see here on my chart, I've already marked them. The blue lines for the ECB meeting day, and for the faint red lines is for the FOMC meeting day. Yeah, so you can see here every time there was a meeting, there has been a flip. Here, the FOMC meeting induced that push upwards, and then the following day, the ECB started the downtrend, canceling half of the previous day's move. Here, first you can see. Then the following day, on Friday, cancelled out the entire move of Wednesday, and just wiped out all the weekly gains. And then the swing low, the price swing from this high went and made this low. This was on 15th March. This was on the day of the US CPI, and that's what happened. That's when the law was made. And not just that, now the interesting part is here. On the following day, Thursday, 16th March, that's when there was the ECB meeting and monetary policy meeting and press conference, and that's where now the uptrend began. Swing price moved leg, and this is a upward leg, made a high here, but it didn't start falling from here. There was a consolidation, and then here again on the day of the ECB meeting, right after the FOMC meeting, that's where the downtrend kind of started. There was a swing downwards here on price. Price made a low here, that not important for now. Then you can see it has made a retracement, and then now we're waiting for tomorrow, Tuesday 13th, the CPI, Wednesday 14th, FOMC meeting, and then Thursday 15th, the ECB meeting. So on Thursday, I'm expecting the move to begin on Thursday, but on Tuesday and on Wednesday, we will have already known to which direction the move is going to begin. Okay, currently I am expecting that price is very likely to push upwards like what it did here. It's most likely to start a swing upwards, maybe even refreshing this high, but that's what I think is going to happen in the coming few weeks. Yeah, of course, in the coming few weeks, ignited by the volatility from the ECB conference on Thursday. So switching to the lower time frame, switching to the lower time frame, this is 4 hour. You can see there's a delete this one. There's a support here. Seems very valid, very likely to be revisited. Let me use an arrow here. Price is likely to come here, touch this low, probably even sweep, and then continue the upward move. So there's a good chance this low might not be hit. This one might not be refreshed. There's a good chance, but we'll get that confirmation tomorrow after the CPI has happened. Then we're going to see. I see some guys. Let me use there's a gun box. Yeah, this one. This last body close here, this candle close. I'm going to use that one to help us identify where the move is likely to begin. Yeah. So, this is it. From this point, this is where I honestly think that if price is going to dip, the upward move is going to begin from here. Yep, that's what I think for now. That's what I'm seeing. So what I have to do now is just wait for tomorrow. Then after tomorrow, by the end of tomorrow, after all the volatility brought about by the CPI is over, we're going to see what price will do. I'm expecting the CPI, just something happens and then price dips to this low, and then in the following day the FOMC meeting and the ECB press conference on Thursday, price is going to kind of push up for the rest of the week, and most probably even for the rest of the month. So that's it for this one. On gold, it's really simple. You can see price here is moving, making a series of lower highs, higher lows. This was the low. Yeah, this was the lowest low. A higher low here, another higher low here, and it's probably very likely to make another higher low here, 1946.45 there, which coincides with tomorrow's expectation for the CPI. Tomorrow's by the time the CPI is going to be released, we're going to see if price will be at this support, and then we're going to know whether to go long or to wait. I prefer to go long at this point because you can see these are like a clean trend line here, so price might just continue falling a bit to this level. Let me delete this. What is that? So price might continue its gradual decline to this support, then up 1981. Of course, this move might not come in one day, but there are 2 consecutive days, CPI and then the FOMC. It's very likely that price will hit this level. Very likely the price will hit this level before on the Wednesday of the CPI, on the Wednesday of the FOMC meeting and interest rate decision. It's very likely. Yeah, so all you have to do now is wait for tomorrow, and it's going to be clear. It's, you can see here what I'm talking about. Once this higher low forms, the price leg upwards is going to be very abrupt. You can see here the uptrend is usually starts very strong. You can see even here the upward leg is usually very strong, very consistent. So risk management shouldn't be a problem there. You don't have to have a big stop loss because let me do this. You don't have to have a big stop loss because you are targeting a clean entry. This is I'm checking the time here. Tuesday 13th June. The CPI comes out on 12 at 12. So maybe by that time price will have reached that support, and then you can start targeting these highs. Yeah, that's what I have for the CPI. Okay, my expected move for the coming 2 days on this pair. I may be wrong. I may be very wrong. But according to what I am seeing here, price forming these higher lows, they are very likely to be valid. And on Wednesday, should the Federal Reserve say they're not going to go big on rate hikes anymore, that's really going to fuel a significant a significant impulse, upward impulse here on Wednesday. Yeah, that's very likely to happen. So let's just wait and see what's going to happen.